Welcome back to the HSE tutorials. Today we're going to discuss what exactly is the NEBOSH International General Certificate, also known as NEBOSH IGC, which is one of the most popular certifications in the world of health and safety. Whether you're new to health and safety field or a professional aiming to advance your career, this video will cover everything you need to know about the NEBOSH IGC. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos for more useful content. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to explore what is NEBOSH IGC and its units, why NEBOSH IGC is important, what is the eligibility and entry requirement for NEBOSH IGC, benefits of obtaining the NEBOSH diploma, what are the other types of NEBOSH courses for different industries, what is NEBOSH? NEBOSH stands for National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health, a UK awarding organization offering professional qualifications in health, safety and environmental management. NEBOSH IGC is the NEBOSH International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety. It is designed for individuals aiming to become health and safety professionals. The NEBOSH IGC consists of two main units. Unit IG1, Management of Health and Safety. This unit covers the principles of health and safety management and the importance of health and safety culture. Unit IG2, Risk Assessment. In this unit, you'll learn how to identify and control workplace hazards, conduct risk assessments, and implement appropriate control measures. Each unit is assessed separately. IG1 is evaluated through a written exam, while IG2 involves a practical risk assessment project, which you complete at your workplace. Why NEBOSH IGC is important. The NEBOSH IGC is a globally recognized qualification, making it an excellent choice for those looking for career opportunities all over the world. It is an excellent starting point for becoming a fully qualified health and safety professional. NEBOSH IGC have Level 3 and Level 6 qualifications, which is often seen as a prerequisite for senior health and safety roles. It is recognized by professional bodies such as Institution of Occupational Safety and Health and International Institute of Risk and Safety Management. It provides a thorough grounding in all aspects of occupational health and safety, preparing individuals for higher-level roles such as health and safety manager, consultant, or advisor. What is the eligibility and entry requirements for NEBOSH IGC? The good news is that there are no formal entry requirements for NEBOSH IGC of Level 3 qualifications, but Level 6 qualifications require NEBOSH IGC Level 3 diploma and previous experience of health and safety due to its high level of qualifications. However, for Level 3 qualification, a basic understanding of health and safety principles can be beneficial. Level 3 qualification is an excellent starting point for those looking to pursue a career in health and safety management. Benefits of obtaining the NEBOSH diploma. Career advancement. Possessing the NEBOSH diploma can significantly enhance your career prospects and earning potential in the health and safety field. Professional development. It provides a deep understanding of health and safety management principles and practices, contributing to professional growth and expertise. Industry respect. Holding a NEBOSH diploma demonstrates a high level of commitment and competency in health and safety, earning respect from employers and peers. NEBOSH offers a variety of other courses besides the IGC, tailored to different industries and levels of expertise. Here are a few examples. NEBOSH National General Certificate. It is similar to the IGC but focused on UK-specific health and safety legislation. NEBOSH International Diploma. It is an advanced qualification for those aiming to become health and safety practitioners. NEBOSH Certificate in Fire Safety. It is designed for those with fire safety responsibilities in the workplace. NEBOSH Certificate in Construction Health and Safety. It deals for those working in or responsible for health and safety in the construction industry. Summary. NEBOSH IGC is a stepping stone to a successful or advanced career in health and safety. It equips employees with the knowledge and skills needed to effectively manage and mitigate workplace risks, resulting in a safer working environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and safety content.